Hello guys, today we are going to learn these English and Toknas basic phrases or some of the words that I thought can help you. Try it on this is present on try it share on try it share on explant here explain lade explain it shallot beef ter love talk we have this word here funny midalke prang kang mukang ran chala prang. So let's start again. Try it on try it shown explain lade explain it shallot beef ter, and then we have laugh talk funny midwalke prang kang mikang run. When you want to surprise somebody, it is called prank. So that's it guys. Share it with anyone who would like to learn. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.